The similarities between Jamaica's and US politics make me so uneasy because both countries have pushed a brand of nationalism that is completely unhinged. And it goes like this. I am who I am because of my nationality. I am this exceptional person because of my nationality. There is no other country whose people are as exceptional as us. And everyone else is less than us. But simultaneously, by everyone else, we mean everyone else black and brown. Now, this presents a problem for Jamaica because unlike the United States, we are a black majority country. So by taking the stance that people from black and brown countries are not welcome because they're going to make our country worse, but yet we don't have the same smoke for people from Asia and people from European countries. We don't have that smoke for them because what do they supposedly make our country better? And so what we find ourselves doing as a black majority country is we make space for people from European and Asian countries and other countries that we consider desirable to come in and gentrify, to come in and take over our communities, and even to come in and do the same things that we accuse people from black and brown countries of doing, which is to come in hiding from, the authorities for whatever crime they committed that they're running from, which is to come in and exploit our resources, to come in and exploit our people. And we put up with it and give them a slap on the wrist. But yet we think that taking in Haitians is going to, quote unquote, ruin our country. And so this is a problem with the refusal to reconcile with our past, the refusal to reconcile that our colonial past and our insistence on ignoring the role that race plays in Jamaican society is what is allowing this to happen. Because we don't even know why we have this attitude towards Haitians, why we have this attitude towards other Caribbean countries, why we have these attitudes when someone like me or other people say you should be proud to be a descendant of African peoples. We're not even examining that. The only thing we know is that anything too black no good is that we are supposed to lift up people who are lighter skinned, lift up people who are from desirable places and who have the desirable complexion. That it is okay for these people to exploit us. It is okay for these people to always be in charge, to always be a part of the ruling class, and for us to be a part of the working class. And we have accepted it. And even come online to defend it. I used to have hope for Jamaica, not so much anymore. The discourse that I see on social media, a lot of it in my comments when I make these kind of videos, tells me that a lot of people have accepted, a lot of black Jamaicans have accepted that that's where their place is. Their place is to be under the foot of the ruling class, and you're comfortable with it. I'm not comfortable with it. I will never be.